Okay, so these are all the ingredients we're going to need for our salads. Okay, for the salads, I went for the mixed salads. Yeah, so I'm gonna have to wash them. Yeah, next is I'm done washing my salads. I'm gonna put them into a bowl that we're gonna be making our salads from. I'm gonna set them aside. So yeah, moving on to the other ingredients that we're gonna use. I'm gonna be cutting this cucumber. After cutting my cucumber, I'm gonna add it into our salads. So yeah, next is I'm gonna get my cherry tomatoes and I wash them. So yeah, after washing and cleaning our tomatoes, I'm gonna add them again into our bowl like that. I'm gonna set this aside again, and next is I'm going to get my olives. So yeah, I'm gonna get a few olives and I add them here again into our bowl. Salads, we are making sure that we're working with clean hands, washed hands. Yeah. So next is I'm gonna get some maize. Of course, if you don't want maize, you don't have to add maize to your salad. Okay, and let's set this aside. Okay, now we get our maize. I'm gonna get a bigger spoon and put our maize aside. Now if you want, you can add also some onions, but I don't want to chew on raw onions, not in the molds for them. Okay, so I'm gonna add in lots of maize. I love maize in my maize or corn, whatever you call it. So I'm gonna add it in there. Now for the dressing, I've got a bowl here. I have that is salt, and then I'm gonna add in a spoon of lemon juice. Okay, you can use a fresh lemon if you prefer that, but this is what I have at the moment, so this is what I'm gonna use. Okay, yeah, to that I'm gonna add some vegetable oil. You can use any oil that you prefer. That is olive oil preferably, 2 and 3 of them. Okay, next is I'm gonna add in again like 2 tablespoons of water, boiled water. Okay, so we're gonna mix everything out, and then I'm gonna get some dried herbs, of course, and add in like a spoon. And yeah, like that smells good. Well, so I'm gonna dissolve the salt, and then we'll be adding it onto our salads. So this is the dressing I have made. You can buy already made dressing if you prefer that. Okay, so yeah, I went ahead and added in our dressing into the salad. Too bad I did not film that, but yeah, for now I'm not gonna temper with it because I want to get a thumbnail first before I go ahead and mix everything together, because we want everything mixed up together. Okay, so yeah, this is it. So yeah, next is I'm gonna get our bowl. I'm done with get our spoons. I'm done getting the thumbnail, and then I mix everything up, and our salad is as good as good. Look at those, all those maize. I love maize in my salad. Yeah, I can just eat this and I'm good for dinner, or for, yeah, depending on what I had for lunch. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I will be seeing you in my next video. Stay safe, stay blessed, and choose